What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mark coming back at y'all again. And today, what I would like to do is another tag video for y'all. And this tag is entitled Are You Mean Tag? And the reason why I wanted to do this tag video on today is because, for one, I saw Lady Nika doing her tag video, which I enjoyed, by the way, on the same thing. And I thought it was an interesting tag for anybody to do. So that's basically the reason why I wanted to do this tag video on today. And by the way, I'm gonna be reading the questions off my phone because I don't have the questions written down anywhere on paper or anything like that. And y'all know I like to bring my phone with me everywhere I go, cause just in case if I forget something or if anything happens. So with that being said, I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay, here we go. Question number one: How often are you told that you are mean? I rarely get told that I'm mean. In fact, for the most part, like people say that I'm a nice person, a nice and kind-hearted person. So, for the most part, I'm told that I'm nice. Like I don't really get told that I'm mean very often. But anyhow, moving on from there. Question number two: What happens to you when you get upset? And explain. Well, honestly, I'm one of those people that tends to hold things in. Like I don't really verbalize my feelings very often. I just kind of let it roll off my back for the most part. But it just depends on what that person did or the situation. So that's basically what I do is just to like internalize everything because I'm not one of those people that like to verbalize everything on how I feel and all that stuff. So that's basically the answer to question number two. And moving on from there. Um, Question number three. Once you get upset, how long does it take for you to be calm again? Well, it just depends on the situation. Like, if it's something minor, I just let it roll off my back, just like I mentioned before. And if somebody said or does something that really irritates me, like, I'm gonna just let you have it. Like, sometimes I like to fly off the handle, and I know it's not good because, I'm really trying to work on it and all that stuff. But, when I get upset, like, I just usually, like, let it roll off my back. Like, I don't really let it bother me too often because, like, I don't give people that kind of energy. Because that's basically what people are looking for, is just for attention and for people to be like engaging in a whole bunch of petty arguments with them and stuff. So that's basically what I do, is just let it roll off my back and all that stuff. But anyhow, moving on from there. Okay. Question number four: Are there any recurring reasons that people have said that you are mean? Um, I wouldn't necessarily say that there's any reason, although like I guess some people may think that I'm mean because I don't go along with what everybody does. Like, cause I'm one of those people that like to think for himself. Like, I don't really go along with what everybody does all the time, and I don't basically agree with everything what everybody says or does. And I guess that's probably one of the reasons why some people may think that I'm mean because I don't agree with everything they say or do, and I don't go along with everybody. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically the answer to question number four. And last but not least, how often do you have mean thoughts? Be honest. Um, well, actually, that's not the last question. I'm sorry. Okay. And it asks, how often do you have mean thoughts? And be honest. Well, like I said before, it just depends on the situation. Like, sometimes, like, I do have, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do have an antipathy for people sometimes. Is because of the way they treat me and the things that they will say to me and all that stuff. So, but other than that, I don't have any evil thoughts. Like, if you do something that really gets on my nerves, like, I'ma just, like I just can't really let it go very easily. Like I just be thinking about it over and over again. But it just all depends on the situation. It all depends on what that person said or did to me. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I really don't have any evil thoughts, or at least not all the time, anyhow. And let's see. Last but not least, who can make you mad first, friends or family? Mostly family, cause you know what they say, blood is thicker than water. So, and family are the ones that's supposed to have your back at all times. So that's probably the reasons why I get irritated very easily when it comes to families, because they're supposed to be the main ones that encourage you and all that stuff, and supposed to uplift you when you're down and all that stuff. So I would have to go with family on this one. You know, on the people that really irritate me very easily. You know what I'm saying? And that's basically it for the tag. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you can also follow me on Twitter at 504 Mark Anthony and all that good stuff. And in the meantime, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.